If you're considering buying Drafts for improving your productivity and time management, there are a few things you should know first. While Drafts stands out for its powerful features, it's important to understand how it stacks up against its competitors and if it's the right choice for your needs. Let's dive in. First off, Drafts is great for fast note taking and capturing ideas, but it shines the most when it comes to its automation features. If you're someone who needs a lot of customization in how your notes flow into other apps, Drafts offers incredible flexibility. With Actions, you can integrate your notes with apps like Evernote, Google Docs, or even Slack. This can save time compared to apps that only allow static note taking without these seamless integrations. Next thing to consider is its pricing. While Drafts offers a solid free version, the premium version unlocks a ton of extra features, including advanced actions, a custom action builder, and more. However, when compared to competitors like Notion or Evernote, Drafts can feel a bit pricier for some users. These other apps provide similar features in their free plans, so it's worth thinking about whether those alternatives might suit you better if cost is a concern. The third thing is its user interface. Drafts is straightforward and minimalist, making it easy to dive into. If you're the type of person who values clean design without getting distracted by unnecessary features, Drafts gets it right. However, if you need a more visually dynamic workspace like the ones in Notion or Asana, where you can organize tasks, notes, and projects in a more interactive way, Drafts may feel too simple. Next, Drafts supports a wide variety of text formats, making it ideal for those who frequently switch between different writing styles or need to publish content across platforms. Whether you're writing a quick blog post or a meeting agenda, Drafts handles it with ease. But for people looking for more advanced project management features, apps like Trello or ClickUp might offer more robust options for organizing tasks and timelines. Another point to note is Draft search functionality. While it's solid, it's not as advanced as some competitors. If you're someone who relies heavily on search to find older notes or tasks quickly, you might find Drafts lacking compared to apps like Evernote or OneNote, which provide better search options, including tag-based filters. The sixth thing is Drafts platform availability. It's available across Apple devices, which is great for Apple-centric users, but it's not cross-platform like Evernote or Notion. This could be a deal breaker if you're looking for something that works seamlessly across both iOS and Android or even on a desktop. Drafts is limited to the Apple ecosystem, so if you need more flexibility, other apps may be a better fit. Now, if you're all about automation, Drafts offers powerful scripting and workflow automation tools. The ability to set up actions that trigger based on your needs is impressive, but the learning curve can be steep. If you're not familiar with automation, there might be a bit of a learning curve. For users looking for simplicity and quick productivity, other tools might be more user-friendly. Another consideration is the community around Drafts. While it's active and passionate, it doesn't have the same massive user base as tools like Evernote or Notion. If community-driven templates and support are important to you, you might want to check out the larger communities built around other productivity apps. The ninth point is Drafts' offline capabilities. Unlike some competitors, which require an internet connection for syncing, Drafts offers full offline functionality, which is essential if you work in environments without reliable internet. If offline access is crucial for you, Drafts is a solid contender, especially for quick notes on the go. Another thing to mention is the learning curve. While Drafts offers impressive flexibility, getting the most out of the app can take time. Its customization options can be overwhelming if you're new to productivity apps. Some of its competitors, like Notion, offer more intuitive user experiences that make it easier to dive in right away. The 11th thing to know is that Drafts excels in its ability to handle text-based workflows, but if you're looking for more media-heavy project management, tools like Trello or Asana might offer more options for attaching files, images, and more. Finally, Drafts is a great option for anyone who needs a streamlined, customizable approach to taking notes and automating workflows, especially for Apple users. But if you're looking for a more versatile, cross-platform solution, or something with more advanced project management features, it might not be the best choice. Drafts is a solid option for many, but if you want a more comprehensive solution that's simpler to use and